everyone, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video I am going to be showing you a really lovely, easy hair tutorial using the Dyson Airwrap Round Brush attachment, and we will be finishing off using the smoothing brush attachment. That is not correct. We'll be finishing off using the FLYAWAY attachment. And today's look is inspired by the Princess of Wales, Kate Middleton. And one of you lovely lot actually requested that I recreate this hairstyle over here as part of my I'm a Celeb series. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, so guys, first things first is pre-styling products, which I talk about a lot over in this channel, but that is because it is so important to every hairstyle that you try to create, with or without the Dyson Airwrap, whatever you are using. And I have my firm favorites over here that you will see me constantly repeat over in this channel, but I also do like to try out new products, and if there's anything that I like, I will of course recommend it to you guys. Also, depending on the hairstyle that I'm recreating, the pre-styling products will be different. I'm going to be using a really small selection today because I last washed my hair 3 days ago, so technically this hairstyle is getting done on dirty hair. Even though I wouldn't class my hair as dirty right now, it's still not dirty. That's why I love this hairstyle, because you can recreate it right from scratch whenever you have washed your hair, but it's also a really simple hairstyle to create whenever you're a few days into your hair wash cycle. I also get a lot of questions about my hair wash training course. That is going to be coming out in a few months because I've been super busy making the Dyson Airwrap course, which is coming out next month in November. So if you haven't already, you can sign up to my mailing list. It will be in the description, so you'll be the first to hear about that. So yes, pre-styling product. I've started using this new product by Coco and Eve. I say new, it's been out now I think about like 3 or 4 months, and I have been using this for the last like month and a half, and it is bonding building pre-shampoo treatment. And guys, honestly, first of all, I have not been paid to recommend this product. Everything in this video is just me recommending it because I use it, I enjoy it. But guys, honestly, this is absolutely insane. And the reason why it is insane is that whenever you use this in your hair and you wash it out, oh my god, that thick, silky smooth, like you can almost feel the coating on your hair. It feels absolutely amazing, and my hairbrush brushes through it so easily after I dry my hair. So before you shampoo, you just lather this all over your hair, leave it in for about 10 minutes and wash it out. Also, I have started using this, I think it's pronounced Kiyun, I think that's how you pronounce it. I went to my hairdresser's about 6 months ago and she used this in my hair before blow drying it. I noticed that I had volume in my root for the full week after she blow dried my hair. It's kind of like it's like a mousse, so it's a root volumizer, and what you do is whenever your hair is wet, you spray it at the roots of your hair and it comes out like a mousse, and you just kind of massage it in and then you blow dry your hair. We do not need to do that today, but I just wanted to point this out because since then I still have volume at my root, which I'll show you in a minute whenever I take my clip out. So I'm just going to take my hair out of my clip, and guys, you can just see like I still have so much volume there at my roots. And I washed my hair 3 days ago, and like I said, it is because of this. I'm going to link it in the description if you want to check it out. Okay guys, so the first thing we are going to do is section our hair. I am going to use my Philip Kingsley leave-in conditioner. I rave about this all the time over here. Like I said, why would you use just plain water whenever you can spray something that is also going to hydrate and moisturize your hair, especially when you're in between washes? I'm going to use this, but if you don't have this, you can also use water, or you can just use heat defense. I've actually ran out of my Lee Stafford heat defense, but this leave-in conditioner has a heat defense in it. So I've actually been using this on my heat defense, and I've realized I really didn't need to be doing that. So I'm going to spray this on first and then brush my hair, because I'm going to obviously brush all this through my hair. So guys, can we really quickly discuss how cute this little outfit is? It's actually a dress. I'm going to pop it up. I thought this was very appropriate for the Kate Middleton look, because I feel like it looks like very Kate Middleton, very royal. You're going to want to take a section of hair, probably no more than this. You are going to have your round brush on, and I'm going to go for high heat and high speed. And the first thing we're going to do is smooth it out, and then we're going to add the curl flick at the end. So let's go. So guys, because I'm being really lazy and I don't want to have to record a voiceover for this after I finish recording, just so you're aware, I'm really focusing on the root because we want to add volume. So to do that, you want to place the brush under and then also on top to smooth out the top with the frizz. Once we've smoothed this out, then that's when we're going to add the flick to the bottom, just so you're aware. This is me adding the flick at the bottom. You want to just roll the brush up lightly, leave it there for about 10 seconds on high heat, and then I'm going to add a Photoshop for about 15 seconds. And there we go. That is a lovely big flick. This is definitely a little bit more flicky than what she has her hair, but I want to give a decent flick so that it has a little bit of room to like unflick, you know, to kind of like drop a little bit. I mean, let's just take a moment to appreciate the sheer frizz and kinkness on this side compared to this side. Honestly, the round brush is so good at smoothing out your hair. And again, I say this all the time, but it is honestly the most underrated attachment whenever it comes to the Dyson Airwrap. Guys, I'm going to show you this side, then I'm going to whiz through, do all of my hair. I'll show you how I do the top section because that is the bit that's most important, that we want to get lots of volume. Then I am going to finish it off and I'm going to show you how I finish it off using the FLYAWAY attachment. So let's go. Go! There's another lovely little flick at the end. Now guys, we are on to the top section, and this is actually where we're gonna sort out the parting, because in this picture her hair is slightly parted over to the side. Now I still could do this with my hair parted in the middle because it doesn't have to be identical, but for the sake of going that extra mile, I'm gonna part it over to the side ever so slightly. Oh, that's not dead straight. And I am pretty sure Kate Middleton's is dead straight. You just cannot imagine the princess having a dodgy parting. There's lots of people who would have dodgy partings, but I don't think she's one of them. Okay, now, whenever you do the top section, you want to get lots and lots of volume, especially on this bit. On this bit it's quite easy because I've pulled some of it over. There's already volume on this section, but I really want to concentrate on getting some volume on this section. I'm going to I'm going to roll the brush at the root and pull it in this direction to help create some volume. Guys, as well as placing the brush at the root and pulling in this direction, you'll have also just seen that I place it under the root, roll it and pull. That's also good at creating volume. That was just me smoothing it out, so I'm now going to add a little bit more of a flick at the bottom. There we go. Now I'm going to pull it all forward. I have some bits that sometimes go in like the opposite direction, but I don't mind that. It just makes it look a little bit more tousled and adds a little bit more volume to the ends. So we're going to remove the hairbrush attachment. If you do not have the flyaway attachment, at this point what you can do is you can get the back of your hairbrush and you can spray some hairspray and you can pat it down. That helps with flyaways, or you can just spray it onto the palm of your hand and lightly pat it down the root of your hair. But if you have the flyaway attachment, we are going to be using this. We're going to obviously make sure that you have got rid of the vent where the air comes out, and you're going to twist that. And because of my hair type, I'm going to go on high heat and high speed. Let's go. So you just want to concentrate at the top of your hair. And once you get midway down, you're just going to stop. But guys, one of the things that I love about this flyaway attachment is that it also adds lots of shine. Like, you can already see how much shinier my hair looks from this side to this side. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but honestly, it's adding so much more shine. Has got rid of so many of my flyaways. Very neat and structured. Personally, that is not how I like wearing mine, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to tousle this up a little bit, because this hair is inspired by Kate Middleton, but I am Alana, and I need to wear it how I would actually wear it, which is a little bit more like this. There we go. That is more me. Now, oh, and just for reference, I use the Coco and Eve Miracle Hair Elixir, I think it's called. It is, absolutely love it. I will also have that linked in the description. Now guys, there we go. That is the look complete. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you found it useful. Don't forget, my Dyson Airwrap course will be coming out next month, and if you want to be the first to hear about it, please sign up to my mailing list in the description. It is obviously free to sign up and you will be receiving an email very soon. Sorry, my eye keeps watering and I keep feeling like I'm having mascara like on the bottom of my eye. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I have regular Dyson Airwrap hair tutorials as well as lots of fashion hauls and some makeup tutorials. So yeah, lots of lovely things over here. Have a fabulous Sunday and I will see you next time.